Hello students. In previous period we have seen classification of plants. In that we have seen trees, herbs, shrubs, vines and all. Okay, so today we will see next. Can you tell to which part of plants are butterflies and insects attract? Obviously answer is flowers of the plants. Okay. Plants that bears flowers are called flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. While the plants that never bear flowers are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants may not have organs like roots, stems and leaves also. Okay? That is too much easy. Now your work is you have to make list of flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Use your brain power. What type of plants are toadstool and mushrooms? Fungi. It is fungi. According to old system of classification, it included in kingdom Plantae. Okay. It is not autotrophic. It is decomposes. Decomposes means it is destroying. And saprophytic. Saprophytic means the plants which are depends upon dead and decaying matter for their nutrition. It's saprophytic mode of nutrition. Now next one. What type of plant is the fig? Fig is huge tree, branches spread and make canopy. Canopy means like this structure. Okay, canopy. Cone-like structure is coming that. Do ferns, algae, money plant bear flowers? No. Fern you have seen, algae also you can see in water. Money plant, they are not bear flowers. They are non-flowering plants. Do you know the world's largest flower is found in Indonesia. The diameter of the flower of the plant Rafflesia arnoldii is about 1 meter. The world's smallest flower is of the plant called Wolffia or duckweed. Its diameter is as small as 0.5 mm means millimeter. Okay, next one. Can you tell where does the pomegranate shrub grow? The pomegranate shrub grow till height of 6 to 10 meter and it is cultivated in orchards. Okay, so next one. Where do bulrushes and railroad creeper grow? You can see in compounds of house. Next one. Where does the lotus grow? Lotus grow in aquatic plant and submerged plant. Where does the dodder plant grow? Dodder plant is a parasitic plant. It is grow on the host plant. Okay. We see different plants grow in different places around us. Plants can be classified according to their habitat or the place where they grow. Land, water, marshy areas, desert and even a big tree are various habitats of plants. So this is example of this you can see. Here is water, here is land, here is desert is given. This all is known as habitats of plants. Use your brain power. Why does the water hyacinth float on the water? So answer is the stem of hyacinth is soft and spongy. Leaves are there specially modified to help the plant float due to this adaptation. Next one. Why is the stem of the cactus fleshy? Cactus occur in desert. In order to survive, its body highly modified. The leaves reduce and convert into thorns, so stem take the function of photosynthesis. So in this green and fleshy stem you can see. What different criteria are used to classify plants? We just take criteria of their shape, height, life cycle, BS flowers and their habitat. Okay, so next one, diversity and classification in animals. Different animals have developed different shapes to survive in the environment. There is a great variety in the body structure of animals too. The amoeba that cannot be seen with our eyes, the huge elephant, the small snail, the fish that swims in water, a kite that flies high in the sky, butterflies that flit around flowers, a house lizard that crawls on a wall are all animals. Each has different characteristics. So in our surrounding, different types of animal you can see: cow, buffalo, birds, then wild animals like giraffe, cheetah, rabbit, and that is rhinoceros and all. So everybody is a part of living thing and part of environment, but their characteristic, their habitat are different. So today we will stop here.